Pwede ba kitang videohan dyan? Ito yung si... Ano yung niluluto mo?
Gluten-free noodles for party tonight.
Oh, for the party tonight. Ayan. Nagluluto siya. Ayan, ito yung kusina namin.
What else you ask?
Wow, what did I
Yes,
ask?
ma'am.
Yan yung pogi namin cook dito. Ayan, lalaki.
8 cans of
Ano yan?
marinara sauce
Marinara sauce. Ayan.
for the party tonight. 350.
Yeah. Camp out, guys. Camp out tonight.
You know what, ma'am? You're so beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's like a flower. Flower in the garden. Fresh flower.
Whose garden? My garden? At kalat-kalat mo na kami dito, guys. At ano na naman to yung order? Ayan. Mabait lang yung boss namin kasi hindi kami kinukulangan ng mga kailangan namin sa aming pagtatrabaho. Ayan si... Hi, Drew!